Currently, our home page is a scrapbook layout with box after box after box. Another type of layout that you can use within School Center is the newsletter layout. Let's add a new page by going to our Edit menu, New Page. Within the New Page dialog window, you will see all of the pages that are custom made for you in School Center. We'll go down and add a scrapbook page, but we will change it into a newsletter layout. After selecting the scrapbook layout page, push Add Page. We will rename this page Projects. Notice you can also password protect this page. Every page in School Center except your main page has the ability to have a password protection set on it. And you can pick the password and the username and share that with your students or parents so that only they can enter that page within your School Center site. Under the Layouts tab, we have the ability to pick scrapbook style, categorize style, or newsletter style. For this tutorial, we will select newsletter style. School Center will prompt you with a warning that says if you have any information on the page, you will lose it when you switch layout styles. Since this is a new page, we do not have any content yet, so we can push OK and Done. A newsletter layout page has an automatic header box and footer box. So for the header of this newsletter page, click to add text and type Projects. Highlight the word Projects. Go to your Justification menu and Center. Select Bold. Go to your Size menu and select 7. Push Save, and you've added a header box. To start adding newsletter boxes, click New Newsletter Box on the Edit toolbar. You can add a picture and text box or a page summary box. A page summary box will show an automatic preview to one of your pages that you've created. For this demonstration, we will add picture and text boxes. If you'd like a title bar at the top of the newsletter box, name it in the title window area. This will be Project 1. You can use the Simple Editor to type the text for Project 1 or attach images, or use the Advanced Content Editor to change the appearance of the text. So for the description of this first newsletter box, I will type sample text for Project 1. If you scroll to the bottom of the box, you will find a check spelling option, a preview option, and advanced content editor. Push Done to finalize your box, and you've added your first box. Click New Newsletter Box to add a second box, which will also be a picture and text box. Title the box Project 2. Add the text, sample text for Project 2. But you've decided to use the Advanced Content Editor to bold the word Project. Scroll to the bottom, click Advanced Content Editor, position your window so that you can see the editing tools are now available. You can highlight the word Project, bold. You could decide to click at the end of the text and center that line of text. Again, if you want to use single spacing, you need to do a Shift Enter, and you could add line 2 of text. When you are done using the Advanced Content Editor, scroll to the bottom and push Done. And you've added box number 2. Next, we'll add a third box. Add picture and text. Project 3. For this box, we will add an attachment of an image. So we'll click Attachments. Notice you can add an image, you can add links, and you can add files right into the box. So we will add an image, browse to find our image. I'll go into my sample documents, and add an image of the football game, upload the file. 300 is a little large for this image, so I'm going to cut it down to 70%. Push OK. Push Done. And Done again. And you've added a third box with an image in it. The nice thing about using a newsletter box is that you can sort the newsletter boxes, change their column widths and their height. Click the Sort Newsletter Boxes option. This is your present page layout on the left, and this is a new layout that you can create. You have a lot of options with this new layout. You could decide that you want 3 columns instead of 2. You could take Project 1's box, put it into the first box of the new layout, use the Stretch tool in the bottom right corner of the box and stretch it across 2 columns. You could put Project 2 in the remaining box. And you could put Project 3 in and stretch it across all 3 boxes. You could add more rows to your layout, go back and add more boxes. You could move these around as you wish. You can stretch out their heights and push Done. And you've created, I'll click Preview, and you've created a custom layout with your newsletter boxes. You can also use the newsletter layout to add summary boxes. Return to Edit Mode, add a new newsletter box. This time choose Add Page Summary. Within the Add Page Summary, you can add a summary of existing pages within your site, or a syndicated news list, a weather banner, or a feed reader if you get an RSS feed from another website. We'll use the weather banner as an example. The weather banner has options. You can do a custom title for the box or use the one that comes with. You can set the height of the scrolling marquee if you're going to have it scroll information in. You can set the city and state of the weather you would like information for. You can also change the appearance of the banner. So if you click on the banner, you will see the different styles of banners that they have available. The default style looks good, so I'll pick the default style again. Push Done. Notice you have a weather banner now as an item. You can come back and edit it if you need to under Edit Box Properties. Push Done, and you've added the weather box. If you would like to edit any of the boxes that you've created, hover over them until you see the pencil. Click the pencil. You can either edit the box or delete the box. So I'll edit the weather box. You can make your corrections or changes, push Done, Done again to finalize the box, and you have now edited one of your newsletter boxes.